Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about our institute which teaches us financial modeling and valuations of the companies. IB Institute, situated in Patel Nagar, they teaches us 9 to 10 different models. For example, 3 to 4 company models, financial models, LB models, DSAF models, and also renewable sector energy models, road sector models. So all these are taught there from the scratch, and they make sure you get the proper knowledge of these models, and you also get recorded videos which you can see later on and make your models again. So I just wanted to tell you my experience of IB Institute Patel Nagar. So I made many different models with the help of them only, and I posted them on LinkedIn, which was the whole process was guided through Manu sir only, who is a teacher there, and I have done all the things which he told me to do, and through this only I was able to successfully get a job in renewable energy sector. And in this company, like, it is a big company, so not all teams are into financial modeling, but I got the job by making a wind financial model only with the help of Manoj sir. And here, but I'm working on Excel, so all the things which were taught in the course are helping out me here. And also, like, when I'm giving different interviews, all the content of the course are very useful and very helpful. All the things are all the things which are taught there, interviewer will going to ask you, and those questions will only be repeated. So whatever they teach is practical only, and you will get a practical knowledge about this.